This is great.
Yeah. All
This is
right.
going to be so fun.
All right. These are the elevators at the Carriage Park Garage here in Lincoln, Nebraska. I have special guests here coming in this capital city in Lincoln. Who is this?
Hi, I'm Josh.
Josh Starkey. And it's nice to meet you.
If we have company, let them come in the elevator.
You go ahead. I'll take the next elevator.
He likes to go alone. He likes going alone.
Here's the other one coming down. And this will be the final ride. Here's your call station. And the lantern doesn't light up. Look at that, listen to that door, Josh. It's
Wow.
got 6. These are Montgomery from 1993. This one has a bouncy elevator, so remember to hold the handrails and make that when it comes down. Really, when it comes back down.
Oh, this is fast.
Very fast elevators. They're scenic.
Very scenic. Oh, I bet you can see the Capitol.
Right there, to your right. And see Josh, that's where goes to the machine rooms up there.
Very cool.
Back to G, to ground. Get Kathy on this one. It's a nice elevator. There's Josh. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Jeffrey.
There's our friend, Mr. New Security Camera. Now watch this, Josh. Whoa!
Whoa.
It bouncy.
Oh, it does. Sounds good.
There's your fixtures, phone down there. There's your Montgomery fornicator.
Are we going to write it again? No.
There's the other one. It's right there.
Are we going to write it one more time?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's okay.
But look. Oh, hold on a second, Josh. Look. See, look. The door is, it started to rust. That's why they're getting modernized.
Oh, wow.
Oh, here it is. It's on the other one. Here. Oh, Josh, you can go and do the honors.
Okay.
I'm going to do the honors.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Good job, Josh.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to send it up to level 5. Here comes the other car, Josh. All right, now we do the honors to press Josh.
Okay.
Here it is. All right, Josh, you send up to 6.
Do you want me to press it?
Yes.
Okay.
Door close. Door close button works. I really love that.
That is great.
Watch the indicator. It's a Montgomery Acme indicator. This is traction. And it's a 5,000 pounds capacity.
Oh, wow.
And the see Josh, this is made by Kone sensors. All right, Josh, let's go back down to the ground floor.
Okay.
Instant door close. So this will be the Josh final ride ever until these elevators are getting modernized really soon. Look at the rust.
This is a fast elevator.
Yeah, just like the other
Sometimes
one.
the elevators are
Your
so
fixtures?
slow.
I know.
And there's your phone down there. Inspection, Montgomery.
He said inspection perfect this time.
Very good.
So this color is orange.
But every floor has a different color, right?
See, Josh, see way up there.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
It's the machine rooms up there.
I done?
Yep.
Good job.
Nice.
That's so much fun.
Nice to meet you, Josh.
Nice to meet you too, Jeffrey. Thank you for showing me the elevator here at Carriage
Park Garage.
Park Garage.
Since 1993.
Since 1993.
Since 33 years. See, look at the shaft.
What's that part of the building?
You can see the inside, Jeffrey.
You can see in the inside.
You can see the counterweight on the left-hand side.
See, Josh, you can see the counterweight.
That's great.
when it comes down.
when it comes down. And see, Josh, those are the cables.
And you see that light bulb there
Yep.
with the cage around it?
Yeah.
That's one of the elevator parts we saw on eBay the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a light for them and everything, so they can see what they're doing when they're on top of the elevator.
Yeah.
Fixing the brake system.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So they have to have a light there.
Whoa.
Careful.
I didn't know that.
Okay, you're dragging me, okay?
Okay.
Well, he's got the camera.
All right. Thank you for watching. For was first and the Josh last final ride on the 1993 Montgomery elevators at the Carriage Park Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. Before it gets getting modernized. Yep. But so that being said,
Bye.
bye.